Welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving deep into one of the most dangerous and profitable types of cybercrime in the world today, ransomware. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how ransomware gets into systems, how it takes control, and why it continues to be such a massive threat to individuals, businesses, and even governments. Ransomware is a type of malicious software that infects a computer or network, locks or encrypts data, and then demands payment, usually in cryptocurrency, to restore access. In simple terms, cybercriminals hold your data hostage until you pay them. There are many paths attackers use, but the most common include phishing emails. You receive an email that looks legitimate, maybe from a bank, a delivery service, or a coworker. Inside is a link or attachment that, when clicked, secretly installs the ransomware. Vulnerable software and systems attackers scan the internet for devices with outdated software, weak passwords, or unpatched security holes. If they find one, they can break in without the victim doing anything. Malicious downloads or fake software, free movie streaming apps, cracked games, or system cleanup tools can be bundled with ransomware and installed silently. Compromised websites, drive-by downloads. Sometimes, just visiting a compromised website is enough for ransomware to install itself. Once the ransomware lands on a device, it normally hides itself and connects to the attacker. It checks in with a command and control server, receiving instructions or encryption keys. Disables security tools. It may attempt to turn off antivirus protections, monitoring systems, or backup processes. Seeks admin-level access. The higher the system privileges, the more damage it can do. This is the heart of a ransomware attack. Once ready, the malware begins encrypting files, including documents, databases, photos, and sometimes entire system partitions. The encryption process usually uses strong algorithms like RSA or AES, generates a unique key for the victim, makes files unreadable without the private key held by the attacker. Many ransomware strains also delete shadow copies and backups, making recovery difficult without paying the ransom. Once the data is locked, the victim receives a message, sometimes as a pop-up, other times as a text file on the desktop. It usually announces the encryption, demands payment, commonly in Bitcoin or Monero, provides instructions, and sometimes a countdown timer, threatens to delete the key permanently if payment is not made. Modern ransomware groups also use double extortion. They don't just lock your data, they also steal a copy and threaten to leak it publicly. Many ransomware strains don't stop with a single computer. They scan the network for other machines, try to infect servers, move laterally using stolen admin credentials, shut down business operations company-wide. This is why a single click on a malicious link can shut down a hospital, government agency, or major corporation. Law enforcement agencies around the world advise not to pay, because there is no guarantee files will be restored. It funds criminal organizations, it encourages future attacks. However, some organizations, facing massive downtime or public exposure, still choose to pay, and attackers know it. Ransomware succeeds because most attacks rely on human error. Many systems are outdated and unpatched. Backups are often not tested or disconnected. Attackers operate anonymously and globally. Cybercriminals combine technical skill with psychological pressure, fear, urgency, embarrassment to push victims into paying. Prevention is far easier and cheaper than recovery. Key defenses include keeping systems and software updated, using strong email filtering, training users to spot phishing attempts, keeping offline or immutable backups, enforcing strong passwords and multi-factor authentication, monitoring for suspicious network activity. Ransomware isn't just a technical threat, it's a business model, and a highly profitable one. The more we understand how it works, the better equipped we are to stop it before it spreads. If you found this breakdown useful, hit like, share it with someone who needs to know, and subscribe for more cybersecurity insights. Thanks for watching, and stay safe out there.